Very briefly, I want to introduce the systematic training cycle to you, although it is fairly straightforward, and hopefully from the diagram that we have in front of us, it's fairly straightforward as well. A lot of companies don't go through all of these 4 stages, and the argument is that if a company wants its training to be really effective, to deliver for the company and to add value to the company, they have to make sure that they're delivering the right kind of training and that it's targeted at the right people. So systematic training cycle hopefully helps us to achieve that. So we'd start off with the yellow circle, the identify, and that's carrying out a training needs analysis. So you carry out a training needs analysis to find out what does the company actually need, what skills are they lacking, what knowledge is missing from within the company. And that can be looking at the individual employees. So what do the individual employees need to learn? What do they need to be able to do that they're perhaps not doing as well as they could do? It could be looking at a team, or it could be looking at the whole organisation. So if new technology is introduced into an organisation, for example, you may need to train the entire workforce on how to use that. So your training needs analysis would identify that that's what they need to learn. So once you've done that, once you've identified what needs to be learned, you would then look at designing your training solutions, planning. What do we need to do? So writing a lesson plan, designing a course, whatever it is that's required to do that. Once you've got that ready, you then look at implementing the training activities. In other words, delivering the training, whether that's online, creating videos, such as I'm doing here, or standing up in front of a class and delivering in the classroom. Whatever it is you're looking at, how do you roll that out? How do you deliver the training? And then once the training has been delivered, it's not enough to say, right, that's it, it's been done. You then need to find, did it work? Has it achieved what we set out to do? So you start off with you're identifying the training needs and designing the training. You want to find out whether it actually, the training you've designed and delivered has actually met the need that has been identified. So you need to evaluate it. So you're looking to see, is it working? Is it effective? Does it achieve what it set out to do? And if it does, you might look to see, could it be improved? Can it be developed? If it's not effective, you then might need to think about, do we change it? Do we adapt it? Do we scrap it and start something else? So your systematic training cycle is looking at that full process